This is the National Weather Service Office in Blacksburg, Virginia. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio station WXL-60 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can automatically be activated by these signals to warn of impending hazard. Tests of the signals in the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service around noon each Wednesday, except for the first Wednesday of the month when it is conducted around 7 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarms, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order.
This is probably one of the worst weekly tests I've ever captured.
The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in the Blacksburg County warning area: in Virginia, Allegheny, Bedford, Bland, Barnett, Carroll, Craig, Floyd, Franklin, Giles, Halifax, Henry, Montgomery, Patrick, Pittsylvania, Pulaski, Roanoke, Rockbridge, and Wood. Also included are the independent cities of Buena Vista, Covington, Danville, Lexington, Martinsville, Galax, Radford, Roanoke, and Salem. In North Carolina, the following counties are included: Rockingham and Caswell. This has been a test of the NOAA radio warning device. We now return to normal programming.
Yep, that's... Seriously? I think this idiot went off on the EOMs.
In Covington. Rest of today,
Yep.
sunny.
That thing activated for the EOMs, and it keeps activating as that. Basically what happened here is that there's this stupid transmitter glitch that's been going around the country lately, and it's making all my radios activate weird. That's why the majority of these guys did not activate. This thing activated for an unrecognized message, and the reecom is just doing that. This is like the only radio I've got that activated properly.